Hello folks, welcome to a brief video on the Model 3 drive unit PCB project. Before you in the inverter is our version 2 PCB, fully punched up and running open inverter FOC firmware. Got in my hands a throttle pedal, just happens to be a Model 3 throttle pedal but can be anyone. And I'm going to give it some gas. Watch the red tape. And that, folks, is spinning under full closed loop control. Everything running pretty much as it should. We have the oil pump running, punched up. We're reading voltages, temperatures, current sensors working, resolver working, everything doing what it should, basically. So the high voltage is being supplied from a 42 volt server power supply over there, and at 42 volts at full throttle we're seeing 1400 RPM of motor revs. So that's what we got for you at the minute, folks. It has been a hell of a time. So there you have it, folks, and not to worry, you will have a long and boring video with lots of technical details soon. But as you can probably tell, I'm pretty wasted. It's been 48 hours of mayhem since these boards turned up. But I'm very pleased to say that the first major milestone, as you can see, is passed. So we will be working on getting this board into the third pretty soon. Yes, I've put the wrong oil into that motor because I had to get it in my local farm shop, and they actually didn't have the fancy Fuchs EV Pro oil. Fancy that, right? But they did give me this absolutely kick-ass Massey Ferguson hat. So, you know, I'm pretty sure that's fine. And anyway, Elon doesn't exactly seem stressed by the whole situation. So, with that, folks, shut that oil pump off. With that, folks, I'm going to leave you to it. It's hard to believe 5 years of work comes to this, but there it is. There'll be lots more on this, don't worry. But until the next fun-packed episode, don't forget to check the links in the description for GitHub and Open Inverter Forum and all those good places. Avoid the Patreon and the PayPal, because this is what I'm wasting your money on for years. And thanks everyone. On the last video there was an absolute it was just amazing, the support that you guys gave and continue to, so thank you very much for that. But it looks as if we've got ourselves a working replacement logic board for the Model 3 drive unit. But as I said, a lot more testing and proving out to do, but yeah, I better stop because I'm only repeating myself now. Let's give Elon another dart at the throttle. So, until next time, folks, happy temperature sensor soldering.